What is PC Builds? A PC build is a custom computer that you put together yourself. It's like a kit where you get to choose all the parts and then you assemble it yourself. You can choose from different CPUs, GPUs, RAM, storage, cases, and so much more. And you can customize your PC to look however you want with all sorts of different colors and designs. PC builds are great for gaming, for content creation, for streaming, and for just about anything else you can think of. You can choose the parts that you want based on your budget and your needs. There are step-by-step guides available for pretty much every component and every build. And once you've built your PC, you'll have a unique machine that's tailored to your needs and your budget. And if you're not sure what to choose, there are plenty of pre-built options available. You don't need to be a tech expert to put together a PC build. So, what are you waiting for? Give PC building a try.